Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Master and Dynamic MW08 Sport. Now you can pick these up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $350. I repeat, $350. Now this is going to be a short video. I already reviewed the MW08s, and minus a few upgrades, these and the Sports are exactly the same. Same noise cancellation, same sound quality, all of the features are exactly the same. But there's a few differences. So if you want to see the full review, I'll leave a link for that up in the description, or I'll leave a little annotation right now. So let's talk about what's the same. You got Bluetooth 5.2. The codecs is AAC, SBC, and aptX. You got the same 11mm beryllium drivers. You got 6 mics, 3 in each earbud. The IPX5 sweat and water resistant. You got 2 modes of active noise cancellation and 2 modes of ambient sound. Now you got 12 hours battery on a single charge with an additional 30 hours using the charging case. Now if you turn on ANC, you're going to get 10 hours worth of battery, which is still crazy. Now you got fast charge, so you go from 0 to 50% in 15 minutes and 0 to 100% in 45 minutes. And you got an app that's available for Android and iOS. Now, what's the difference between the MW08s and the MW08 Sports? First of all, the color choices. Now with the MW08s, you got blue, black, green, white ceramic, and black ceramic. With the MW08 Sport, you got black, blue, green, and silver. Now here's the biggest differences. Build quality. Now with the MW08s, these are made out of ceramic. With the MW08 Sport, these are made out of shatter-resistant sapphire glass, which basically makes these everything proof. Next, the charging case. Now y'all know, the MW08 stainless steel charging case, one of my favorites in the game. And on the side note, if you're gonna get the MW08, go with the black stainless steel charging case because it's gonna look nice for a long time. Now if you go with stainless steel, it's going to get scratched up just like this. There's no way around it, okay? I don't care how much you babysit it, how much you take care of it. This is what it's going to look like. All right, so if you go with the MW08s, get the black stainless steel. Now, with the MW08 Sport, the charging case is made out of Kevlar. Now, that's the same material that goes in bulletproof vests, kind of looks like carbon fiber, way more durable. Not to mention, the charging case on the MW08 Sports is now IPX4 sweat and water resistant. So with the regular MW08s, no water resistance on the charging case. With the Sports, now you got IPX4 water resistance on the charging case. And one of the biggest differences, as you see in the table, wireless charge. Now with the regular MW08s, you don't have wireless charge in the case. With the Sports, now you have wireless charge on the charging case. Now, if you use wireless charge, you're going to charge your earbuds from 0 to 50% in 30 minutes, all right, using wireless charge, and 0 to 100% in 100 minutes. So let's recap. What's the difference between the MW08s and the MW08 Sport? You got a few more color choices with the Sports. The build quality, now instead of ceramic, you got shatter-resistant sapphire glass. The charging case is made out of Kevlar, it's water-resistant, and it has wireless charge. All right, so that's what you're paying the extra $50 for. Now, as far as sound quality, exactly the same. If y'all watch my full review, these are easily, and I mean easily, in my top 5 truly wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation. All right, so let's go ahead and check these out. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
I love my white shoes.
calm down. All right, y'all see that flop? Immediate calm down status. All right, here we go. Now, on a side note, you got the MC100 wireless charging pad. Now, these are used, now, if you got the MW08 Sports, you can use any wireless charging pad you want. But if you want to keep everything uniform, you got the Master and Dynamic MC100. This one is going to run you $70. So let's take a look at this first. Okay. Now, this is a nice wireless charging pad. Check this out. On the bottom, you got your logo. All aluminum, stainless steel. Look to it, real nice. Got a textured feel on the top. And this is USB Type-C. All right, Shoes, inspect that for quality. And you get your Master and Dynamics USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable. right, so let's go ahead and open this one up real quick. Rah. All right, shoes. Do your job. Inspect those for quality. I got a little poison for the trolls. Let me go ahead and file it in my pocket, and that's pretty much it. Shoes are trying to get wireless charge. Okay. All right, here we go. Master Dynamic MW08 Sport. Now, I know some of y'all going to say $350. The price is TGH. No. All right. You're paying for the name brand. You're paying for quality, and these deliver. All right. If you watch my full review, the sound quality is amazing. The call quality, you can use either earbud one at a time. No lag. These are a go. All right. A major, major, major go. And if you think about it, with active noise cancellation turned on, 12 hours worth of battery. 10 hours. 10 hours with active noise cancellation turned on. The battery life is intense. All right, let's go ahead and open these up real quick. Okay, here we go. Now, y'all know how I feel about carbon fiber and this look. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, now the original MW08s, no water resistance on the charging case. These are the sport version. All right, so if you live in a sport lifestyle, active lifestyle, you're outside doing 100 cartwheels in the rain and the snow, you're going to want a wireless charging case that is water resistant. Okay, that's a big deal. Bang, check these out. Scratch resistant, sapphire glass, everything proof. Okay, let's see what else you get. Okay, I know. The hype is so real. Let's see what else you get. Okay, now check this out. You get a bunch of different size ear tips. Now these are the sport ones. So you get these basically comply foam style tips. But look at this. You got extra small, small, medium, large, and extra large. And with the comply style, you got medium already installed. You got small and large. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and save these in my pocket. The shoes is looking to eat these. Let's see what else you get. Now, of course, you got your usual books and shit. Plug them, file them to the side. And check this out. Now, this is something that I really like. The charging cable on these earbuds is extra long. Now, y'all know most earbuds come with a little charging cable like this. This is what you want. A nice long charging cable. And it comes with the adapter, which is going to be a USB Type-C to USB-A. So if you want to, you can plug this right in your computer, charge your earbuds up, or you can use any standard charging brick, attach it, and charge them right up. Just like that. USB-C into your charging brick, into the earbuds. And that's pretty much it. Now let's take a look at the actual earbuds. Beautiful. Okay? Scratch resistant sapphire glass. Now, the charging case. Whew, let me do the smell test on this real quick. Smells like race car. I know how I feel about that carbon fiber Kevlar look. These just look like they moving fast right in my hands. Okay, USB Type-C charging slot. Let's go ahead and drop these in real quick. And there it is. Now, there's one thing that I want to test, wireless charging the case, and then I'll tell you about my experience using these, because I actually had these on all day today in the gym, and they performed like a champ. All right, so talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is check the case for wireless charge. Now, we could use the Master Dynamic charging pad, but for dramatic effect, I'm going to use my favorite charging pad, the Razer Chroma pad, because this one has the RGB lights on the bottom to indicate charging. So here's the original MW08s without wireless charge. If you notice, you see the color light on the bottom. When I put these on, the light turns red and it's flashing. That means no wireless charge. Now, let's try the MW08 Sports. You see the lights on the top lit up. RGB's flashing, different colors on the bottom. Wireless charge on deck. This is sick. All right, so now you got wireless charge on your charging case. All right, now I promised y'all I was going to keep this quick, so let me just talk about my experience using these earbuds. Now, one of my biggest concerns was when I take these to the gym and I start getting sweaty, are they going to fall out of my ears? Because as of right now, my favorite gym earbuds are the Powerbeats Pro. Now, they're not the best sounding, but they got the hooks around them, so when I do my 100 backflips, when I do my incline bench, my decline bench, they never move around at all. Well, today I took these to the gym. All right, now this is me up in the gym. I'm wearing the MW08 Sport. I did a full workout. All right, I did 99 backflips, and these did not move at all. Now, all jokes aside, I did the incline bench, the decline bench. I did squats. I did my curls when you clench your teeth. People that work out, you know what I'm talking about. When you clench your teeth, sometimes it makes your earbuds move in your ears. These did not move at all. 1 inch. So that's making these now my official new gym earbuds. The Power Beats Pro, I still like them, but the thing about those is they don't have noise cancellation. Same thing with the Studio Buds. I like those too, but these have way better active noise cancellation. All right, so if you wear these in the gym, this is how they're going to look. They will not move in your ears at all. All right, when you're using the touch controls, they're not going to move. When you're on that incline or decline bench and you're sweating up a storm, these are not going to move at all. Again, these are my new favorite gym earbuds. Are they worth $350? The answer is yes. Now look, of course, if you want to, there's 1,001 earbuds in the market for $50, $60, $100. Y'all seen the nothing ear ones? Plenty of earbuds to choose from, but if you want quality, all right, quality over quantity, you want to check these out. All right, MW08 Sports. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving these a major go. I literally love these. Okay, no complaints at all. With active noise cancellation turned on, 10 hours battery. That's already killing my PI7s, which I know is my favorites. But the battery life is a little bit trash on those. These, all day battery life. Okay, 10 to 12 hours, depending on ANC. Now you got scratch resistant sapphire glass. You can drop these, beat these up. They always gonna look just like this. And now with this Kevlar charging case, which is now water resistant, if you're washing your car and you got your earbuds in your pocket, you don't have to worry about the charging case getting messed up. I am feeling these. Okay. Now again, I can't stress this enough. If you want to save $50 and you still want that Master Dynamic name and you want the quality, go with the MW08s, but make sure you go with the black charging case. Now I've been beating this one up pretty bad and you don't see any scratches. As opposed to the stainless steel version. This only been in my pocket a couple of times and look how it looks. Okay, so if you get the MW08s, you're gonna want to go with black. But my advice would be spend that extra $50. Now you're getting water resistance on the case and you're getting wireless charge on your case. All right, let's do that one more time. Boom. There it is. Now there's one more thing that I want to mention before I wrap this up. All right, now a lot of people have been asking me to do a top 10 truly wireless earbuds, which I plan on doing at the end of this month, but there's some heavy hitters that we got to check out. So we got the Noras. All right, now y'all know how I feel about the Nora phones. We got the Nora Trues. These look like heavy hitters. We got the Razer Hammerheads. All right, these are the new ones with noise cancellation. We got 2 pair from JBL. We got the Tour Pro Plus and the Live Free NCs. All right, these look like heavy hitters. We got the Olive Pros. All right, now I've been hearing a lot of good things about these. We got the Pixel Buds. Now I actually use these. These are pretty dope. No active noise cancellation. Sound quality pretty good. We got the Amaze Fits. All right, again, I heard a lot of good things about these. Special request, we got the One More Comfo Buds. And of course, for next week, Samsung Nights. You already know what this is. We got a special package from Samsung, so we're going to do these next week. Now, once I finish all of these, which I'm guaranteeing y'all I will finish by the end of this month, then I'm going to do a top 10 truly wireless earbuds. All right, so I'm going to do a top 10 truly wireless earbuds with ANC, a top 10 truly wireless earbuds without ANC, and my top 5 gym earbuds. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. All right, so one more thing. Now, just in case you was wondering what the Master Dynamic MC100 wireless charge pad looks like, fully set up. Here's how it looks plugged in. Let's grab the earbuds, drop them on the top, all the lights lit up, wireless charger on deck. One last thing. Now, if you like me, in the back of your mind, the question you wanted to know is, can you charge the original MW08s in the MW08 Sport case? And the answer is yes. Okay, they are interchangeable. You can use either case to charge either set of earbuds. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, the Master Dynamic MW08 Sports are a major go. Are they worth $350? The answer is yes. These are definitely going to be in my top 5 truly wireless earbuds. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing, I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won to beam up. Energize.
I want everybody to subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real tech reviews. Now, Flossy Carter, we know you flossy. Now, guess what? I'm flashy. Money May all day, the one and only. Flossy Carter, you part of the money team.